Hello guys, so we are going to do today for today's video, we are going to unbox this thing that I have bought from Amazon. So it's actually a wireless microphone that I can use for my blogging. So let's see what's inside. So this is the box. We're going to open it. Okay. Alright, so this is actually an OSA wireless microphone, this one. And I think that it's important because it's important to hear the clarity of the voice when you are recording. So we bought this one, and let's see. So this is a wireless microphone from OSA. And well, you can see here from the image the look of the microphone. So it says here that it's actually good for blog, short video, for interview, and also for live show. And it is wireless. Okay. And there are some details of the microphone at the back of this box. So it's just a small box, like the size of the palm. Okay. So it is a plug and play. And it has 20 meters of accessible reception, meaning to say from the device, from your phone. So it can reach up to 20 meters. It has precise radio. The timbre is clear, and it's highly sensitive, as well as it is widely compatible. So we're going to check later if it's really compatible for our iPhone, okay? All right, so it's time to unbox, guys. So here we go. Okay, so here's what's inside. You have here this black tiny box. I think this is like the charging box, and this is the receptor, wind, and the cable. Okay, we're going to take this out first, and then later we're going to check it one by one. Okay, there are a couple of this, 1, 2, because there are 2 microphones, and this is the cable for charging. It has also a manual, wireless microphone, case 6 user manual. It is available in English, French, Spanish, Italian, and German languages. So we're going to take a look of how are we going to use it. So it's here, guys. It's so clear. It is indicated how to use the microphone. So there are some steps on how to use it. I think it's very simple to use. Okay, now let's take a look of what's inside of the box. But anyway, first, this is the cable for charging. It's like a size of a perfume box. So this is the cable. Okay. And now this is the charging box. What's the name of this box? It's charging case. Okay. Charging case. Okay, it says here that it has 2 okay, here it is. All right, so we have 2 microphone and 1 receiver. Okay, it's so cute. It's like it's the size of the palm. It's handy, it's portable. I think it's comfortable to bring it anywhere you go. So here we go. So this is the microphone, 1, and this is another one, and this is the receptor. Okay, if you can actually notice that like for example, the microphone, it has some protective glass over here for a scratch. Okay, so we're going to remove this one before we're going to put it back here, so it will for it to work well. Okay, to work well. All right, so what are we going to do first? So we already removed it. All right, so let's try, guys. So this is the microphone. It has a clip that you can put it actually in your t-shirt, something like that, or you can clip it here on your finger. Okay, so we have to turn it on. This one, it has on off or the power button, 3 seconds. Now you can see it is blinking green and red. Okay, it's working, guys. Now let's try to remove the plastic here. There's another plastic here, but we're going to try it later, okay? And then we have to put it back inside. Let's see if the charging case is working. You see it, guys? It is working. So here you can see the battery level of the microphone, and it's charging. You see the green light over here is blinking, right? So this is really cool. Okay. Just to make sure, guys, that you have to remove the plastic here before you put it back to the charging case so it works. Let's say, for example, if you put this one inside the charging case, for sure it won't connect to the cable. So you have to remove it. Okay. Press 3 seconds. Now it's blinking red and green with the battery level here. Okay. Well, actually, this, how do you call this one? This is like a wind receptor, right? Wind receptor. We're going to put it here. Oh, this is so cool. La 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 la. All right. Now this is the receiver. So what I ordered is actually a Type-C receiver because my iPhone has Type-C port. But I think there's also a different available option for iPhone for this one. Or else you need an adapter to connect it to your device. So we're going to try it later. This button should work. It should blink. It should blink color green, so it works, okay? As simple as that, guys. So I don't find it complicated really to use the microphone. I hope if this green and light will work, then definitely it will work. Okay, what else should we do? Okay, I think that's it, guys. All right, now it's time to practice. It's time to see if this device is really working. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Nathaniel. This is Nathaniel Travels, and in my next videos, I'm going to show you if this device is really a good microphone, wireless microphone for blogging. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can also share this video for others to see the unboxing of the OSA wireless microphone. Bye!